Reporting an air conditioner problem.
Good evening. How can I help?
Hi, my room feels very hot.
Oh no. Is the air conditioner working?
I do not think so. Maybe broken.
What room are you staying in?
Room 518 on the 5th floor.
Thank you. When did this start?
About 1 hour ago, after dinner.
Did you try the wall controls?
Yes, but nothing changed inside.
Is the machine making any sound?
A little sound, then it stops.
That does sound like a problem.
The room feels very uncomfortable now.
I am very sorry about this.
I cannot sleep in that heat.
I can send maintenance upstairs tonight.
Really? That would help a lot.
They should arrive very soon.
What if they cannot fix it?
Then we can change your room.
Oh, that sounds much better.
Hopefully, the repair will be easy.
Hope so. I miss cold air.
Please wait here a few minutes.
Thank you for helping me tonight.
Of course, we want comfortable guests.
Booking a taxi to the train station.
Good morning. You look ready today.
Yes, I have many heavy bags.
Are you leaving the hotel now?
Yes, I need the train station.
Sure. I can call a taxi.
Thank you. My train leaves soon.
Do you know what time is your train departure?
Around 11:30, I think.
Morning traffic can be very slow.
Oh no, that worries me little.
Do not worry. We still have time.
How long is the drive usually?
About 20 minutes without heavy traffic.
Chicago streets look very busy today.
Yes, especially during morning work hours.
Can the driver help with luggage?
Yes, most drivers help passengers gladly.
That is good. These bags hurt.
I think your taxi should arrive very soon.
Can I pay using my card?
Yes, most taxis accept credit cards.
Perfect. I do not carry cash.
Smart idea while traveling around cities.
I hope I catch the train.
I think you will arrive on time.
Thank you for helping me this morning.
You are welcome. Enjoy your train trip.
Shopping for a birthday present.
Hello. Looking for something special today?
Yes, a birthday gift for my sister.
That sounds nice. What does she like?
She likes jewelry and sweet perfumes.
We have many popular gift sets.
Really? Can I see those perfumes?
Sure, they are right over here.
This one smells very fresh and soft.
Many customers love that scent lately.
I think my sister would like it.
Would you like matching jewelry too?
Oh, maybe a small necklace.
This silver necklace looks very elegant.
It does look beautiful, but expensive.
Today, everything has a small discount.
That helps. I have careful budget.
Birthday shopping can become very expensive.
Yes, especially for family members.
Would she prefer gold or silver jewelry?
Mostly silver. She wears silver every day.
Then this necklace is a great choice.
Okay, I will take both items.
Wonderful. Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please, with birthday paper maybe.
Of course. I can wrap everything nicely.
Thank you. She will feel very happy.
I hope she enjoys her birthday surprise.
Ordering coffee and snacks at a cafe.
Good morning. What would you like?
Hi, I need coffee today.
Sure. What type of coffee?
I want iced latte, maybe.
We can customize milk and syrup.
Okay. Add vanilla flavor, please.
Great. Do you want whipped cream?
Yes, that sounds really good.
Which bakery item do you prefer?
Maybe a chocolate croissant, I think.
We also have fresh muffins.
Chocolate muffin sounds perfect today.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you. I am very hungry.
Do you need anything else?
Yes. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes. Ask at counter for password.
Great. I will work here.
Tables near window have charging ports.
Perfect. My phone is low.
You can pay by card.
Yes, I will use card.
Tap card on the machine.
Okay, I am ready now.
Your total is $12.
That is fine. No problem.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I need it.
Enjoy your coffee and snacks.
Thank you. This place is nice.
Feel free to stay longer.
I will finish my work.
Many students work here daily.
I see. Good study place.
We also offer free refills.
Oh, that is very nice.
Our pastries are baked fresh daily.
I can smell them already.
You picked a great combination.
Yes, coffee and snacks perfect.
Anything else before I go?
No, I am all set.
Enjoy your stay at Café.
Thanks. I will come again.
Helping a lost puppy in the park.
Oh, look, a small puppy here.
Yes, it looks lost and scared.
Come here, little puppy. It's okay.
It is shaking a lot.
We should check its collar.
Yes, maybe there is a tag.
I see a small name tag.
It says Buddy and a number.
Good. We can call the owner.
Should we call right now?
Yes, before it gets dark.
I hope they answer quickly.
I am calling the number now.
Puppy is sitting very quietly.
Hello? I think we found your dog.
The owner sounds very worried.
Yes, they are coming here.
That is very good news.
We should stay with Buddy.
Yes, until the owner arrives.
Let's keep him safe and calm.
He looks less scared now.
I see someone running over there.
Yes, that must be the owner.
Are you Buddy's owner?
We found him near the trees.
He is safe and healthy.
He just needed someone kind.
He was very calm with us.
I think he trusted us quickly.
Here is your puppy back.
He missed you a lot.
Please take care of him.
He's a sweet little dog.
I feel really happy now.
Me too. Good ending today.
Choosing dinner at a restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome in.
Thank you. Nice place here.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Menu looks big.
I can help you choose.
Yes, that would be nice.
Do you prefer chicken or fish?
Maybe chicken, but not sure.
Our grilled chicken is popular.
What sauce comes with it?
Light lemon herb sauce.
That sounds healthy. I like it.
We also have baked salmon.
Is it very oily?
No, it is very light.
I want healthy food today.
Great choice for dinner.
I will take grilled chicken.
Would you like appetizers first?
Yes, maybe a small soup.
Our vegetable soup is fresh.
Perfect. I will start with that.
And for drinks?
Just water, no soda.
All right, one order.
Does the salad come with it?
Yes, a small side salad.
Good. That is enough food.
You are making a healthy choice.
I am trying today.
Your order will arrive soon.
Thank you. I am hungry now.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks. This feels relaxing.
Anything else before I go?
No, everything is fine.
Great. Enjoy your evening.
I will. Thank you so much.
Taking the wrong bus direction.
Hello. Do you need some help?
Yes, I think I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
To the downtown station, but I'm not sure.
You're actually on the wrong bus.
Oh no, really?
This one is going north, not toward downtown.
I thought it was going there. My mistake.
Don't worry, it happens a lot.
I already lost some time.
It's okay, you can still fix it.
Which bus should I take then?
You need to take bus number 21.
Bus 21. Got it.
It stops on the other side of the street.
Oh, yes, I can see the stop there.
Get down at Market Street.
Is that near the main station?
Yes, it's very close to it.
That's good. I feel much better now.
Do you already have your ticket?
Yes, I bought it earlier.
Great. Then you're all set.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
I'll be more careful this time.
Everyone makes this mistake once.
Looks like today was my turn.
Just check the route signs carefully.
I will pay attention to every stop now.
Your bus will arrive shortly.
I won't miss it again.
Hope you reach downtown easily.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Now I'm finally on the right track.
Friendly weekend conversation with neighbors.
Hey there, good morning.
Good morning. Nice weather today.
Busy weekend for you?
Yes, I have many chores.
Same here, honestly.
Cleaning and laundry mostly.
I am fixing my garden today.
Oh, that sounds relaxing actually.
What about your cooking plans?
I will cook pasta tonight.
That sounds really good.
Do you cook on weekends?
Yes, I try new recipes.
I also like trying new food.
I can share easy recipes.
That would be nice. Thank you.
Do you need any help today?
Maybe later, moving some boxes.
I can help you with that.
Really? That is very kind.
No problem at all.
I appreciate your help.
I am also baking bread today.
Homemade bread smells amazing.
I will bring you some later.
Oh, wow. That sounds great.
You can try my soup too.
I love homemade soup.
Weekend food is always better.
Yes, feels more special.
Let's share food later.
Yes, that would be lovely.
I will come by evening.
I will wait. Thank you again.
Neighbors should help each other.
Yes, that is very true.
Mistaken suitcase at the airport carousel.
Excuse me, is this your suitcase?
No, I think it is not mine.
It looks very similar to yours.
Yes, same color and size.
Let's check the luggage tag.
Mine says Harris, Daniel.
Oh, wait. This says Miller, John.
So this is the wrong bag.
Many bags look exactly the same.
Yes, I almost took it.
Where is your suitcase?
I saw another black one here.
Does yours have a red ribbon?
Yes, I tied a small red ribbon.
Look over there. Is that yours?
Oh, yes, that one is mine.
Good thing you checked the tag first.
Yes, that could have been a big problem.
It happens quite often at airports.
I will be more careful next time.
Always check the name before taking it.
Thank you for stopping me.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks, you too.
Buying a bus ticket to the city center.
Hello. How can I help?
Hi, I need a bus ticket.
Where are you going today?
City center, downtown area.
One-way or return ticket?
Just one-way ticket, please.
Okay. When do you leave?
What time is next bus?
The next one is at 10.
Good. I have enough time.
Platform number is 5.
5. I might forget that.
It is near the main gate.
I will look for signs.
Your ticket is ready now.
Thank you. I need receipt too.
Yes, I will print it.
Do I need to show it later?
Yes, driver checks before boarding.
Okay, I will keep it safe.
You can wait in the lounge.
That is good. It is cold outside.
Do you travel often?
Not much. I am new here.
Then take your time today.
Yes, I am learning everything.
Platform signs are color-coded.
I will follow blue signs.
Exactly. You will find it easily.
Thank you for helping me.
Enjoy your trip downtown.
I will. Thank you so much.